So welcome back friend, and so finally let's start to writing our review article. And your one review article, if you rank properly, write properly and rank properly, and you will receive 1,000 traffic, then you will make approximately 100 plus sell. And 100 plus sell means you will make around 1,500 to $2,000 just one single product. Okay, because I did before. So let's share a screen with you and what topic we need to cover on our writing article. So first of all, you always offer coupon and acknowledgement about the product and explain what you want to cover, and bonus button, upsell button, discount button, and upsell and upsell and uh, upsell button. Okay, and discount button, product image, product overview, urgency button. I will show you how you can do everything properly. And buy button, bonus button, and content summary, and what is exact. Okay, what is the exact product and how does work, and may, and I have just write some thing different. Members area. Okay, and review video, urgency button. So it is just you need to copy and paste so many time. You can see one feature and profit, pros and cons, urgency buttons, and who can use this, and OTO and exact and comparison other product, why you should get this product, urgency button, and exclusive bonus, important updates for getting my bonus, and JBZoo IDs in screenshot if you have. Okay, so many things we have need. I have been covered on there. Okay, so let so first of all, click the post and add new post, and you can write product name. Okay, and huge bonus, home and huge Flippy bonus set, discount, and OTO. Okay, also you can just get some info from product headline. So just a minute. Flippy, how does work? Payment. So you don't need to any. Okay, so it is fine. Okay, and next, what need to do? Coupon code. So coupon code. So you need to go on. Just a minute. Where is doc file of coupon code? You can put from doc file. Okay, so here is coupon code, and first of all, come back and paste on here. Okay, you need to just enough. After then, you need to be write product acknowledgement. So Philippi review. Okay, and explain what you want to cover. So okay, so Philippi review. Are you searching for more knowledge about Philippi? Please read through my Philippi review before selecting it to evaluate to weaknesses and strongest of it. Okay, I will cover what it does, who is, and how much is cost, pros and cons, what special bonuses you will get. Okay, you will get and everything. So I have write previously, so I don't need to write again and again. And next step, what you need to do, you can see on here. uh, Bonus button. Okay, so you need to put bonus button on here. Just a second. Hues. Just a minute. This is my bonus page dropping below. So you can put on here. Also, you can put your affiliate link on here, and you can change color from here. Also, large and glossary. Okay, just some large, and you need to paste your affiliate link on here. So how you can get affiliate link? Just very simple process. Here is, just a minute, here is Warrior Plus. So you can get affiliate link from here. You need to be take some time to watch this video because it is some long process to write article. Done. Okay, so you can use it, and you can use this button on middle, and next you can provide another button called this. Okay, this is test, and button glossary pop-up medium large, and here you can put your affiliate link and update, and next in on here. Okay, so your button is ready, and next thing is what you need to write: button and discount test. And okay, so this discount test you will get on sales page, so you can copy it and paste on your page. Okay, and next, so simple, you don't need any technical skills. Product image, so you will get product image on here, so you can see on here product image, and insert product image on here. Okay, and size little bit small because very log size. Next step, what you need to do: product overview. Okay, so what you need to do, you just go to sales page. Where is the sales page? And take product overview. Just a minute. It will take a little bit time to find where is the product all about. So you can copy this text because it is overview about the product and paste on here. And after then you need to create urgency button. So that is very simple. You can copy some text like this, okay, and create urgency button on here. Change the color, okay, and next thing, click add the button, add image, and you can paste on here and paste your affiliate link on here, okay. Next thing about what is the exact product, so you need to go on sales page and you can find about the product. So you can see on here, you just grab all those info from here and you can paste on here. So you can paste on here what is the exact product introduction and flippy and some text on here. And next headline, how does work? So simply click on here. So next step, what is does product? So you need to take a screenshot of member area and save on your local disk. And you can paste all screenshot on here. And next step, what you need to do, a review video. If you have review video, then you can put. If you don't have review video, just ignore it, okay. And again you can paste this urgency button on here, okay, because you need to paste some time this urgency button. And next step, okay, feature and benefit. So that is very simple. And you need to copy all text from here, from sales page, okay, benefits and feature, because it is all benefits and feature here. Also you can copy this text, okay. And next step, you need to pros and cons. You can copy all text about the pros, and also you can mention your own text, okay. This is pros and cons. You can write it is fine for me, okay, if this product is good for you. And next option, next step, urgency button and test. So also you can put test on here, test and button on here, copy and paste on here. And next step, who can use it? So that is very simple, everyone can use because it is product for affiliate marketer, okay. So I have write already test on here, so you can I'm just going to copy it and paste on here. Content creator, freelancer, yeah, anyone can use this method and they can make a lot of money because there is free method to making affiliate commission. Okay, so same. Okay, and next step about OTO and upsell. Next step you can put OTO. OTO and OTO and upsell info. Okay, you can update on here and the middle. And next info, click the JB page and you can see you can copy this image, save. I think this image is not required, so you can take a screenshot of every OTO picture. Okay, you can see OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4, OTO 5, OTO 6. So take every picture and upload on, and take all screenshot and upload on your website. Okay, on our page. So our OTO is has been done. And next thing is what you need to do. Just OTO is done. Comparison, it is don't need why you should get this product. So you can write your text before I answer. Consider so everything you can write yourself. And next step covered. I think urgency button and exclusive bonus. So you need to add bonuses on here. So just a minute. Exclusive button. You can add on here. Again, you can copy this button and paste there. Okay. And next step, exclusive bonus. And you can see Flippy document file. You will get custom bonuses, semi bonuses. Also, you can provide your bonuses with here. So what you need to do, simply select this file. Okay. Only this, not any text, only this file. Just a minute. Okay, copy it and paste on here. And you can remove this text. Okay, and small it. And approximately 10 to 50 bonuses, 15 bonuses is good for high conversion. And you can see there have a lot of bonuses, so you can get all copy you need to download it and click on here and add all bonuses image. And we have put all bonuses on here, so you can download all bonus image on here and put on here. Okay, and some bonus pic is very large, so you can just small it. Okay, because it is look like ugly. Okay, and next step what you need to do, you can add call to action button, and you can put next image which is okay, it is your last button about call to action, and here you can put your uh, affiliate link. Okay, click on here and grab affiliate link and come back and paste on here, and okay, done. Okay, and choose category affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. Okay, and next step you can put product name on here, Fliply. Okay, if you want to know more about SEO tag, then you need to uh, Fliply. Just a minute, we need to focus on here, Fliply. Okay, and I need to just okay, so you can see 64% SEO rate. If you want to know how to get 100%, you need to pick up our 100 our upsell one. Okay, and now you can click on the preview, and you can see on here use coupon code PP review, and here is a affiliate link, and about the product your button, and this is all about product, and you can see on here it is your OTO info, and after then your bonuses. Okay, your all bonuses on here, and after the end so many bonuses on here. After the end you can see here is your buy button, and you need to fill this review. So how you can do, click on the bottom and you can fill out your product name, your affiliate link, okay, your buy button, and your price, or your affiliate link, your product option, and the rating. Okay, and here the pros and cons, no find. Okay, and click on here publish, and you can see your post has been published, and now you can see postly Fliply review huge bonuses, and here about the product, and you need to some you can change some text like headline and something like this. Okay, this is your affiliate link, and now you can see your about your bonuses and your extra bonuses on here, and lastly it is your buy button, and it is your review. Okay, product review, pros and cons, and starring is rating, and this is your buy button. So you need to write article every single day. So finally we have finished to write our review article. So every single day you need to write 2 article. You give a to review every single day, and follow this method to 30 days, and after 30 days you will start making a lot of affiliate commission using this exact method, because your site is ranking and Google notice you are real person, you are writing your own content. And mostly you should try to write your content. This is example purpose I have given. So this reason I got a lot of text from sales page and every there, but you need to give your own opinion in this space. Okay, so go to and write now. And this is big long lesson, I hope, and thanks for making a patience and learning step by step process, and you give a huge time. Okay, so thanks for watching, and next lesson we are going to explain about how you can rank, how you can submit your article on Google for ranking and getting free traffic. So thanks for watching this lesson. Thank you.